Anthropic just dropped something massive for Claude Code, and it's called Remote Control. Effectively, this lets you send your terminal Claude Code sessions directly to your phone in the Claude app so that you can work on Claude Code from anywhere. In this video, we're going to walk through how Claude Code Remote Control works, how to set it up, and then how to view your session on your phone so that you can code from anywhere. And this is different to using the Claude Code app because this persists your session from the terminal on your computer. If you don't know me, my name is Chris, and for the last 15 years, I've been designing apps and advising startups on product and design, and I've helped hundreds of people in my AI community learn how to use AI coding tools and build real AI businesses. So with that said, let's jump straight into Claude Code and help you set up remote control. And first, I want to break down the difference between Claude Code in the terminal and Claude Code on the Claude desktop and the Claude mobile app. So if I'm running some tasks in the terminal with Claude Code, I can't see those tasks anywhere else in the Claude kind of ecosystem. I can't see this Claude Code session here in the Claude Code desktop app, and I can't see it in the Claude mobile app in the code section either. So I'm going to get out my phone here as well, just to show you what Claude Code in the mobile app looks like. So if you're in the Claude mobile app and you click on code here in the menu, you can basically access Claude Code from your phone. And I can't access this Claude Code session on my phone in a terminal on my computer either. And there are some benefits to using Claude Code in a terminal. You get access to more of the commands. You can set up MCP servers and a bunch of other stuff as well. And if you are working on Claude Code directly in the terminal for most of your work, it would be good to be able to continue using that session on your phone if you're away from your desk. And that is what Claude Code Remote Control is. Essentially, Claude Code Remote Control lets you take your existing Claude Code session like we've got here, and it lets you set it up on your phone. So I can see the stream from this Claude Code session in the Claude app on my phone. So we're going to set up remote control now. I'm going to show you exactly how it works so that you can get your Claude sessions in the terminal running on your phone. So now that I've broken down what Claude Code Remote Control is, let's actually set it up. So I've got a new instance of Claude Code here in the terminal. All you have to do in Claude Code is basically do /remote-control, and that is going to set it up for you. And you just do enable remote control for this session. And once you've done that, if you jump over to Claude Code on the Claude app on your phone, you'll see this session here, interactive session at the top. If I click on that, this is going to show me it's running from Chris's MacBook Pro. So that is the same session that I have here. And if I write something in here, so let's say explain how the tasks feature works in this app, I'm not going to build anything because this is a project that I'm working on at the moment. But if I send that off to Claude Code on my phone here, you can see that this now goes to the terminal here. So I'm controlling my Claude Code session from my phone, and you have these extra UI elements in Claude Code on the Claude mobile app, which basically just are the same as what you would get in a terminal, asking do you want to proceed, and you allow it or deny it in the mobile app, and you would click yes or no in the terminal here. And that is how to get Claude Code up and running using remote control with interactive sessions in the Claude mobile app on your phone. And you can do this for existing sessions that you have running as well. And you'll get the full history showing up on Claude Code in the Claude mobile app as well. So you can connect any session that you're running from any of your terminals, have multiple interactive sessions going at the same time. So if you are stepping away from your desk and you want to work on it from anywhere, you can absolutely just continue building from your Claude Code terminal session on the Claude mobile app. And that is how to use Claude Remote Control. So it may not seem like much, but I do think Claude Remote Control is a pretty big deal. If you're used to using Claude Code directly in the terminal on your laptop or on your computer, then going to the Claude mobile app sometimes feels like you're kind of having to start fresh, or you're not kind of continuing that flow state that you were working in when you were working at your computer. And so this just means that in any Claude session in the terminal, you can just quickly do remote control, connect it to the Claude mobile app, and continue working with Claude Code directly from your phone with full control over the terminal. Now, if you are building with AI with tools like Claude Code and Cursor, I do have a community helping people do that over at school.com/AI apps, where I help people learn these vibe coding tools and then turn that into a real AI business. So if you are interested, then head over there to check that out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.